In the quiet hum of your laptop, in the soft glow of your phone screen, a silent revolution is unfolding. Machines are learning, thinking, and, perhaps most astonishingly, collaborating with us. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream or a sci-fi fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the very fabric of how we live and work. But amidst the flood of new tools, a select few have risen above the noise. AI is so advanced, they don't just assist you, they amplify you. From writing and voice generation to music, video, coding, and research, these systems are rewriting what it means to be productive. They're transforming every profession, turning artists into filmmakers, writers into entrepreneurs, and everyday workers into innovators. Welcome to NextCore AI, where we uncover the future shaping today. Hit subscribe now and hit the bell icon, because in this new age of intelligence, awareness is your greatest power. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools will give you a superhuman edge in 2025. Number 12, Leonardo AI, the artist of the machine age. In the digital renaissance of 2025, few names have captured the imagination of creators quite like Leonardo AI. It's more than a design tool. It's a creative revolution. Leonardo has become the digital studio for millions of artists, designers, and visionaries who now create worlds, characters, and artworks with nothing more than their imagination and a few lines of text. In this new age of visual intelligence, Leonardo AI stands as the brush, the canvas, and the muse all in one. But what makes Leonardo truly remarkable is its community-driven evolution. Unlike many AI platforms that exist in isolation, Leonardo thrives on collaboration, a tool that doesn't just generate art, it learns from art. Number 9, ElevenLabs. If AI had a voice, it would sound like ElevenLabs. Founded in 2022, ElevenLabs quickly became the gold standard for AI-generated speech. Its synthetic voices aren't robotic, they're breathtakingly human. With nuanced intonation, natural pauses, and expressive emotion, it can mimic every shade of feeling, from a calm bedtime story to a fiery political speech. How it works? Using advanced deep learning models trained on diverse voice data, ElevenLabs captures the subtleties that make human speech feel alive. It can adjust tone, rhythm, and even micro-expressions in voice delivery. Its Voice Lab feature lets users clone their voices with just a few seconds of audio, instantly turning anyone into a scalable content creator. Real-world impact. For creators, it's a revolution. Podcasters can now produce entire seasons without ever recording a word. Filmmakers use it to generate multilingual dialogue that feels authentic. Teachers and audiobook narrators use it to breathe life into lessons and stories. ElevenLabs doesn't just speak, it performs. Number 8, ChatGPT. Then comes ChatGPT, OpenAI's ever-evolving masterpiece. What began as a chatbot experiment is now a multimodal powerhouse, a digital partner that thinks, analyzes, and creates. Limitless capabilities. In 2025, ChatGPT can process text, images, data, and even video simultaneously. It can summarize research papers, debug code, design presentations, or write marketing campaigns, all within seconds. A true creative partner. For creators, ChatGPT is more than an assistant. It's a collaborator. It drafts, edits, and strategizes in real time. Businesses use it for marketing automation. Students rely on it as a tutor. Number 7, Claude. Where ChatGPT dazzles with power, Claude, created by Anthropic, shines with wisdom. It's built on constitutional AI, meaning it's trained to self-check and reason ethically before responding. In an era of reckless automation, Claude is the model of restraint, the thoughtful assistant. Writers adore its emotional intelligence and clarity. Analysts rely on it for structured reasoning and data interpretation. Businesses use it to craft empathetic, human-sounding communication. Claude can read enormous documents, entire books or research datasets, and return concise, meaningful summaries. Why it stands out. Unlike many AIs, Claude feels conscious of its words. It listens before it speaks. It weighs every answer carefully, ensuring that productivity never comes at the cost of ethics. Claude isn't just another assistant. It's the calm, reasoning voice in the storm of information. Number 6. Suno. If sound is emotion, Suno is its engineer. This AI music generator has redefined digital composition. It doesn't just produce background tracks. It composes living, breathing soundscapes. How it empowers creators. Feed Suno your lyrics, pick a genre, and in moments, it composes a fully produced track. Musicians use it for demos. Filmmakers use it for cinematic scoring. Advertisers use it to create original, royalty-free music tailored to emotion and message. The democratization of music. For independent creators, Suno is freedom. It eliminates studio costs, empowers experimentation, and gives everyone access to professional quality sound. It's not here to replace human musicians. It's here to amplify their imagination. Number 5. Runway ML. Imagine describing a scene and watching it appear before your eyes. Runway ML turns imagination into moving pictures. Its Gen 3 model can generate lifelike video sequences from text prompts in seconds. How it's used. Filmmakers storyboard ideas, editors erase objects, and marketers create entire ads, all without cameras or actors. YouTubers use it to bring stories to life, while production studios employ it to visualize impossible concepts. A new kind of camera. Runway ML isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. It's the new camera that sees through imagination instead of lenses, allowing storytellers to visualize worlds once limited to dreams. Number 4. Perplexity AI. While others talk, Perplexity AI listens and answers with evidence. It's a conversational research assistant that replaces cluttered search results with clean, cited insights. The academic's dream. For researchers, journalists, and students, it's like having a team of analysts at your fingertips. Ask a question, and Perplexity returns verified answers with transparent sources, saving hours of searching and verification. The ethical edge. Perplexity isn't just efficient, it's honest. In a world drowning in misinformation, it stands for clarity, truth, and transparency. Number 3. Notion AI. Organization meets intelligence. Once a note-taking app, Notion AI has become the digital brain of millions. It turns chaotic ideas into structured workflows, combining writing, planning, and automation in one seamless hub. Smart collaboration. In 2025, Notion can summarize meetings, draft reports, create checklists, and brainstorm ideas within shared workspaces. Teams use it as a central hub where creativity meets strategy. The real power. Its AI understands context. It learns your writing style, adapts to tone, and can even propose improvements based on your goals. Notion isn't just helping people work faster, it's teaching them to think smarter. Number 2, the ethics of intelligence. With great power comes quiet danger. As these tools evolve, so do their consequences. What happens when creativity becomes automation? When voices, art, and music can be replicated in seconds, what's left of originality? The rise of AI productivity tools forces us to confront new ethical questions: data ownership, privacy, misinformation, and authenticity. These systems can empower humanity, but they can also manipulate it. The race for innovation must be balanced with responsibility. AI doesn't just extend what we can do, it challenges who we are. Number 1, the future of work. The workplace of 2025 is unrecognizable. Freelancers now work alongside AI co-pilots, managing complex projects that once required full teams. Solo entrepreneurs scale global businesses through automation, while creative professionals command digital armies of AI-driven assistants. Meetings are transcribed, summarized, and analyzed in real time, and entire marketing strategies are drafted in seconds by intelligent systems. Entire creative agencies are powered by algorithms and a single visionary mind guiding them. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's redefining them. The modern professional doesn't just use tools, they orchestrate them, blending human intuition with machine precision. Productivity in 2025 isn't measured by hours or effort, but by how effectively humans and machines can harmonize their strengths. The office is no longer a place. It's an ecosystem of collaboration between carbon and code. Gamma AI. One of the key players transforming work is Gamma AI, a tool that turns raw concepts into stunning presentations, web pages, and visual documents in seconds. It eliminates the drudgery of formatting, layout, and structure, freeing professionals to focus purely on storytelling. With Gamma, a marketer can turn a brainstorm into a pitch deck within minutes, and a teacher can convert lecture notes into interactive learning modules without ever touching design software. Gamma AI isn't just about aesthetics, it's about empowerment. By understanding intent and audience tone, it crafts visually cohesive and strategically persuasive materials that rival top-tier designers. It's the perfect example of how AI transforms creativity into speed without sacrificing quality. Synthesia. In a world where remote work and digital communication dominate, Synthesia has become the voice and face of the modern workspace. It generates lifelike AI presenters who can deliver company updates, training sessions, or global product launches in multiple languages. You no longer need a studio, actors, or camera crew. Just text, and Synthesia does the rest. Businesses are using Synthesia to humanize communication. Educators are using it to scale learning globally, and content creators are turning it into their virtual studio partner. The result is not just efficiency, it's global reach. Synthesia has turned communication into an art form powered by pixels and personality. Together, tools like Gamma AI and Synthesia demonstrate the profound truth of the 2025 workplace. The future of work isn't about doing more, it's about thinking better. In the end, the greatest AI productivity tool isn't any software or algorithm, it's awareness. Knowing how to harness these systems without losing your sense of purpose. AI can amplify creativity, but only you can give it meaning. It can generate infinite possibilities, but only you can choose the one that matters. This is NextCore AI, where we decode the invisible forces shaping tomorrow's world. If this video opened your mind to the power of modern AI, subscribe to NextCore AI and hit the bell icon for more cinematic deep dives into the technologies transforming humanity. Comment below. Which of these tools do you think will define the future of productivity?